In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a file from Google Drive that displays a quota error using only your internet browser. If you've ever faced an issue with exceeding the quota on a Google Drive link, you know just how frustrating it can be. Thankfully, there's a simple workaround that'll help you get access to that file without any hassle. We're going to start by opening the shared Google Drive link that's showing the dreaded quota error. You know the one, it tells you that too many users have viewed the file, so it can't be downloaded at that moment. Fear not, because we have a solution. With the shared link open in your browser, locate the file name that's causing the issue. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you want to find the option that says Organize. Clicking Organize will give you an option to add a shortcut to this file in your own Google Drive. So go ahead and click on that option. You'll be adding a shortcut. Now we need to move over to your own Google Drive, open a new tab in your browser and go to drive.google.com. Once there, navigate to My Drive. This is where Google Drive keeps all your personal files and, importantly, our recently added shortcut. Take a moment to find the shortcut you just added from the shared link. It should be right there in your drive, ready for the next step. Next, right-click this newly added shortcut. You'll see several options pop up, but the one you're looking for is Make a Copy. Clicking this will prompt Google Drive to create a duplicate of that file straight into your drive. Essentially, this step bypasses any restrictions because the copy is now treated as your own file within your Google Drive account. With your copy safely in your drive, we're nearly at the finish line. Locate the copied file, right-click on it once again, and this time select Download from the list of options. Google Drive will process this request by downloading the file onto your device, free of any quota errors and limitations. And there you have it. Your file is now downloading without any issues directly to your device. This simple method is incredibly effective for avoiding download restrictions due to quota errors on shared Google Drive files. Always remember, this method should be used respectfully and legally, honoring the terms and conditions set by Google and the original content sharer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips just like this.